Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting machine, the HP Elite C1030 Chromebook. This isn't just any Chromebook, it's a premium 13.5-inch touchscreen two-in-one designed for serious work and play, and the specs on this particular unit are quite impressive. Right at the core, this Chromebook is powered by an Intel Core i7-10610U processor. That's a 10th gen quad-core chip, starting at 1.8 GHz and boosting all the way up to 4.9 GHz. With quad-core, 8-way processing, this CPU delivers excellent performance and plenty of power. It's more than capable of handling demanding tasks for everyday office work, school projects, and even entertainment without breaking a sweat. This level of processing power is definitely a highlight for a Chromebook. Complementing that powerful processor is a generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. This amount of memory is fantastic for multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously while maintaining smooth operational efficiency. Storage comes in the form of a 128 GB SSD. While 128 GB might seem modest compared to traditional laptops, for Chrome OS it's ample for fast startups, secure data transfer, and storing your essential files. The speed of the SSD ensures everything feels snappy and responsive. The display is a 13.5-inch touchscreen, described as crisp, which is great for both productivity and enjoying media. Being a two-in-one, you get the flexibility to use it as a traditional laptop or flip it around into tablet mode. The backlit keyboard is also a welcome feature, making it easy to work in various lighting conditions. Connectivity is another strong point. This machine offers a good selection of ports, including a standard USB 3.0, two versatile Type-C ports, an HDMI output for connecting to external displays, a combo audio jack, and even two microphones. This range of interfaces makes it convenient to connect and transfer data with a variety of external devices. Running on Chrome OS, the user experience is clean and straightforward. The operating system is known for running smoothly and efficiently, especially on hardware like this. Chrome OS also incorporates various security technologies designed to protect user data and privacy, so you can use it with confidence. Overall, the HP Elite C1030 Chromebook with these specifications presents itself as a highly capable and versatile machine. It brings together a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, ample RAM, fast SSD storage, a flexible two-in-one touchscreen design, and solid connectivity, all running on the secure and efficient Chrome OS. It seems well suited for users who need more power than a typical Chromebook offers for their daily tasks, whether for work, school, or entertainment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.